So here we go, going into a really lush part of the forest here. It's amazing. Whew. Oh yeah, it's beautiful, man. It's like elves could live in here or some shit. So nice. So nice. Oh man, I got look at that. That lone tree. Oh man. Just beautiful. Oh. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't even know how cold it is outside today, to tell you the truth. But yeah, my God. Just beautiful. You gotta record something like this. When you're walking, gotta record something like this. It's a shame nobody else is up here. I haven't seen anybody. I just see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some ski trails right here. And yeah, I haven't seen anybody. But man, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. But yeah, I'm almost done. The last video will probably be in my room, a little gaming area, where I do all my stuff. And yeah, and that'll probably conclude the day of recordings. So I'll see you later in the next video.